Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm Ao. This is day number 200 of my 365 days of art. Yay! So that means I've been doing art consistently every single day for 200 days. Yeah, it has been a journey. That's all I can say. But yeah, it has been a fun journey. I had a lot of fun. But with a little bit of stresses every now and then. But yeah, I actually have no complaints. I already said this in my 150 days of art, where I said that I didn't feel any artist block, or I didn't feel down or anything like that. So maybe it's because I do different things, and I think that's a conclusion I came to. I actually draw a whole bunch of different things. So when I get bored of drawing portraits, I try to draw full body, and if I get bored of full body, I will start to draw environments. The main reason why I don't draw as much environments and backgrounds is because I don't have any experience in it, and so drawing it is gaining an experience in itself. So I want to draw more backgrounds, more scenes, like sceneries, like indoor and interior, bedrooms and apartments and houses and all of that. So I'm going to take my time with that and study that, even if the outcome that I post on my YouTube channel is not like the best quality. I want to keep uploading so that I can gain some experience and confidence, basically. But yeah, the challenge has been so much fun. I'm at a point where I feel content about myself, and I feel very happy that I'm doing what I want to do, if that makes sense. Before, I used to create art thinking, people are gonna like this. I want to create art that people would like, blah, blah, blah. But now it's more like I want to create art that I like, and I'm going to explore various things that I enjoy. So that's sort of my mentality right now. And yeah, I'm having a lot of fun in the process. I don't have any fixed schedule. So uploading content, I know some people ask me like, are you going to do anything that's October related? No. First of all, I'm not like from a Western country or anything like that, so I don't necessarily have that, like, for example, someone asked me if I was going to do anything for October, which is sort of Halloween themed, and I don't have any Western I studied in the US, but other than that, I never really had any experience of celebrating Halloween. It's not a significant day to me, so I don't like to push myself to do something that's not my culture, I should say. So that's why I'm not doing anything for Halloween. I did think of doing it for Patreon, but I got bored, and so I just gave up on it, and I'm going to do something else for Patreon instead. So I don't really, maybe for Christmas, since it's something I'm closely associated with, I might do something for Christmas, but I won't do anything for Halloween. So nothing Halloween themed. But yeah, that's all I can say. All I can say is that I'm really happy. I've come this far. I'm really happy I started with the challenge in the beginning, and I'm happy that I didn't like give up on myself in any way, shape, or form. So I want to keep going until I reach 365 days of art. Yeah. I really don't know what to talk about in most of my videos. I try to be I'm trying to be appealing, but it's not working. uh, some people have said that they've fallen asleep while listening to my voice. I don't blame you. I mean, even my family members say something about my voice all the time, like, oh, it was nice listening to it. But yeah, I want to do more voiceovers. The main reason why I do voiceovers in the first place is because I want people to know there's somebody behind the portrait that is being painted or drawn. It's not just some anonymous person, behind that's drawing something. I am a real person. I do have ideas and plans and all of that, so that's what I'm doing through this channel. But yeah, I don't have much else to say, so I'm just gonna stop my voice over here and let the video play for a little bit, for like a minute, and then that is all for today. If you would like to watch more videos of me finishing my 365 days of art, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And if you would like to support my art by purchasing a print, you can find that on in print or on ArtStation. So that will be highly appreciated. I do upload some tutorials and also my files on Patreon. So that is all for today. I hope you all have a fantastic day, everybody. Bye bye.